Ford Focus gear selector is not working. So yung cambio nyo hindi gumagana, and if you see the dashboard, we have a blinking P or park. So naka-park yan, and currently naka-park din naman yung cambio natin. And if I try to shift the gear to reverse, and it's blinking now, and I'll try the other gears, and let's shift it. Okay, and still not working. Yan. So dapat kasi kung ano yung nakaselect dun sa shifter nyo, yun din yung nakalagay dito. And if it's blinking, there's something problem with your shifter cable or sensors. Yan. Pero etong kalagayan ng Ford Focus 2009 natin, napakalambot din ng shifter. Yan. So mukhang shifter cable lang to, napakadali lang ayusin. So how can we find the shifter cable? Yan, meron tayo dito, we have here, so we just have to follow that, and it leads to okay, leads to down here. Yeah, as you can see, it's disconnected. So let's look down the hood. And so ito siya. There's supposed to be a bushing here that connects here. So this is the gearbox, this one, and you can shift here. And if you can try it, you can try to push it. Yan. So yan. Kung na-shift nyo yan, tapos check nyo ulit yung sa dashboard nyo kung nagbiblink yung P, malamang may problema nga talaga to, at kitang kita naman. And let's turn it back to park. Yan. Could just pull it. So ito yung nabili kong bushing sa Shopee. So ilalagay ko sa comment section yung link niyan para makabili din kayo in case na masiraan. So ito na yung code niya para hindi kayo mahirapan maghanap. So ayan, try na natin ikabit. So make sure lang na yung orientation niya tama. So ito yung nakapasok. Talagay niya lang siya. Yun lang. Yung tigas lang. Susok na yan. Put na lang natin dito. Yan. Kundi tulak pa. Yan. So ganyan dapat kaganda yung fit niya. Yan. So pwede na nating testingin ulit. Okay, matigas naman na. Hindi na matatanggal. So try na natin. Yan. Tignan natin. Cambio natin yan, and voila, a very quick fix lang. So gumagana na ulit. Neutral, drive, and park. So try natin drive. Yan, so naka-drive na ulit. Amen. So syempre yung shifter mo medyo makunat na din. Okay, perfect. So ganun lang kadali ayusin yon. Wala pang 5 minutes kung meron kang tamang tools, tsaka yun nga yung bushing na yon, order ka lang online. Sa Shopee ko siya binili. Lalagay ko na ulit sa comment para hindi nga kayo mahirapan. And nasa 100 lang yata yun, or 150 kapag kasama yung shipping fee. And that's it. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng mekaniko. So So, pwede nyo nang i-diagnose, tignan nyo, check nyo yun. So, makikita nyo lang naman sa ilalim yon. Yan. Or sundan nyo lang yung shifter cable. Ganun lang kadali. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial natin, please like and subscribe or follow sa Facebook natin. Thank you.